Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save a photo in photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your photopea software. Now we can see here the photopea software and we open iMage. Now we want to save this image. Go to the file menu. Select this export as option. We can see here the many file format to saving the image. You can saving this image PNG, JPG or web format, PDF, SVG, GIF, MP4 or more than option. Now I am select this PNG option. Then wait some moment to saving this image. We can see here the name. You can change this. Otherwise you can add the size and resolution. Now I am select this save option. We can see here the saving location. Select this image and we can see here the image. We save easily. Now I open the image. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.